And some would say that your work continues to lie at the interface of orthodox and unorthodox research. From your unique vantage point, what opportunities for growth and development do you see for integrative medicine or integrative health as a field in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, I think from my perspective, what's the interesting thing is research in integrative medicine, complementary medicine, has to be more than looking for new therapies.
Mm-hmm.
It has to also illuminate biomedicine in terms of understanding the questions, the solutions, and how biomedicine operates. And specifically, let's see, I would say that, do that a little better. Integrative medicine is always going to have less power than conventional biomedicine. We are always going to be a little bit on the edge, on the margin. And if we only produce some new therapies, because of demonstrating their efficacy in randomized controlled trials and their mechanism, that's not enough. We also have to illuminate medicine itself, biomedicine itself, and contribute in ways that they feel we're making a major contribution to their own way of understanding therapy, diagnosis, and what it means to be healthy and what it means to be sick. And I think that's one of the reasons I study placebo effects. A lot of times I've used placebo acupuncture, but it really speaks to the whole question of what is placebo across medicine. And I think that's important for the future, that we could always think of how will we contribute in a more global way than just on new therapies.
That's very helpful. And do you think any of that is happening now already?
Yeah, no, I think it's really important. I think that, oh God, I have to give you a couple examples. How is it happening already? I think that Peter Wayne's research on gait and Tai Chi has really contributed to understanding questions about movement, kinesiology. I think Helen Longman's research on connective tissue and acupuncture has really elevated the question of connective tissue in medicine. I think that we've done a lot of like that. I think my placebo work for sure has been, it's a way I've talked about it from integrative medicine perspective, but also from a wider biomedical perspective.
Mm-hmm.